High concentrations of hazardous substances in the environment can harm our health and the environment. To spot possible problems, we need to know where these hazardous chemicals are, what they're in, and in what concentrations. IPCheM makes it easy to search for these data. Let's test this with mercury. Mercury harms our health if we're exposed to it in high concentrations. So, where does mercury show up? Once you have entered the substance into the search box, you can search for data for one or more countries. A list of databases appears. Click on one of these to enter its database console. Here you can see the concentration measurements from relevant records, and a map shows where the samples were taken. Other buttons reveal time trends or more detail on the samples. You can save your data in a basket for processing or download. The basket's processing tools give you an overview of your results, distribution by country and media, and even over time when a time series exists. Back in the console, you can refine your search. You can narrow down terms, jump into the map and explore measurements, add or remove parameters, and even narrow down the search region. You can go back to other databases to look at other information for the same area, or the whole of the selected countries, adjusting parameters and adding results to your basket database by database. Here, the search is adding data on fish to water and soil results. Finally, it adds data on occurrence in humans. Results are presented in a standard table to help compare results from different databases. Back in the basket, you can select saved datasets to download as a spreadsheet for offline statistical and geostatistical analysis. You can also limit the information in datasets and download them again, as a PDF this time if you choose. Of course, parameters often vary between datasets. The basket's overview lets you spot the differences clearly to start your analysis on the right assumptions. From the basket, you can go to the viewer to visualize on a map the data you have already saved. Here you can edit the map layers, overlay results, discover hotspots, or remove data below or above a certain threshold. Overlaying results for different media allows you to infer possible correlations, the information you were looking for. Join us on the IPCheM platform, sharing data to protect our health and the environment. One access point, all the information.